A truck is more than just metal and wheels. It is a legend on the road, built to conquer miles and withstand time. Among the classic Cabovers of the past, the Ford CL9000 remains one of the most iconic. Designed for durability, efficiency, and driver comfort, this truck stood as a revolutionary model in its era. It was introduced during a time when Cabover engine trucks were widely used, offering a compact design without compromising power and performance. The Ford CL9000 was developed as a response to evolving industry demands, with aerodynamics and fuel efficiency playing a crucial role in its design. Its introduction in the late 1970s showcased Ford's commitment to innovation, featuring lightweight aluminum components to improve fuel economy and overall efficiency. Unlike many of its competitors, the CL9000 was built with driver comfort in mind, offering one of the most spacious and well-equipped interiors of its time. Over the years, modifications were made to enhance performance and reliability, initially powered by a range of diesel engines, including Cummins and Detroit diesel options. The truck was later updated to include Caterpillar engines, offering greater power and longevity. The cab was designed with a tilt-forward mechanism, allowing for easy access to the engine bay, a feature that mechanics appreciated for maintenance and repairs. Inside, the CL9000 provided an experience that was ahead of its time. It featured an advanced air ride suspension for improved ride quality, while an optional sleeper cab was available for long-haul drivers. The dashboard was ergonomically designed, giving operators better visibility and control over gauges and switches, with an emphasis on reducing driver fatigue. Air-suspended seats were offered, making long journeys more comfortable. The Ford CL9000 became known for its durability and was widely used in various industries, including freight transport and logistics. However, with changes in trucking regulations and the rise of conventional long-nose designs, Cabover trucks eventually saw a decline in popularity in the United States. Ford later exited the heavy-duty truck market, making the CL9000 a rare sight on modern roads. Today, this truck is considered a collectible, with enthusiasts restoring and preserving remaining units, depending on condition. Prices for a used Ford CL9000 vary widely. Restored models with original engines and well-maintained interiors are highly sought after, while project trucks can still be found for those passionate about bringing these classics back to life. As one of the last heavy-duty Cabovers produced by Ford, the CL9000 remains a symbol of innovation, endurance, and a time when Cabovers dominated American highways. Its legacy continues to be celebrated by truck enthusiasts and collectors who recognize its impact on the trucking industry.